What you're seeing here is the website that you're going to create in next 5 minutes. This video will guide you through the entire process of building such a stunning website. And if you are new to programming or coding, have no worries. Building such a website does not require any coding or programming. So without any further ado, let's get started. In order to build and run such a website, there are few prerequisites that we must install. Fire up your browser and we need to install XAMPP for Windows. In the search bar, search for download XAMPP and the search result will take you to Apache Friends where you have to download the latest version of XAMPP, which is the stable one for Windows. Here I am going to download the version 8.0.3, but the version might be different by the time you are watching this video. To save upon time, click on click here button and then download latest version. Once the downloading has finished, we need to install that application. Let's just quickly go through the installation process of XAMPP. Once the installation window of XAMPP opens up, click on Yes to continue the installation. Clicking on Next, we get an option to select what all servers we want to install with XAMPP package. Click on Next and install XAMPP in preset directory. Let's just quickly fast forward the installation process. Next, we are going to need WordPress. Go to your web browser and search for WordPress download. And the search queries will take you to the homepage of wordpress.org where you can download the package. I am going to download the version 6.4.2 at the time of recording this video, but the version might be different for you. As you can see, our XAMPP installation has completed and it is asking us for access through firewall. Here, the WordPress downloading has also completed and let's just completely finish the XAMPP installation process. Now when the XAMPP control panel shows up, you need to start the Apache server and MySQL server and also allow permissions for access of MySQL and Apache server through firewall of your PC. Now go to a new tab and type localhost. You should be able to see this page and while clicking on phpMyAdmin, this page should open up, which gives access to the MySQL database server. If you are not able to see these pages, there is something wrong with the installation process of XAMPP and you should reinstall it. Now to set up WordPress, copy the WordPress zip file into the directory of XAMPP htdocs in the C drive. Now extract the zip file and after the extraction is completed, copy the WordPress folder from the newly created extracted folder and bring it back to the XAMPP htdocs directory. Now we do not require the previous empty folder and we need to rename this WordPress folder to whatever name we want to give to our website. So I am going to give it the name We Know Stuff. And now we need to open our localhost and open this particular folder followed by wp-admin and install.php as an address. So just follow this link as shown in the video and it should welcome you with this particular page. Here you can select the language as per your preference. I am going with English. Next we are going to need to know what these 5 items are. Firstly, it is database name, database we'll be creating, username and password are root and blank, and database host as of now is localhost. In order we are making more than one WordPress website on a single host, then we require to change the WP tables, otherwise it's alright. And now we go to localhost phpMyAdmin. On to the left bar you will see you can create a new database. Click on new button and give it a name. I'm going to give it We Know Stuff DB and the collation should be UTF-8 General CI. Once you have selected this, click on create button. Now since the database has been created, we go back to our installation of WordPress. Click on Let's Go button. Here you need to give the database name We Know Stuff DB or the name that you have given while creating the database. Here the username has to be root and password has to be blank. Now click on submit button and you should see this page and everything has been set up well. If you do not see this page, there's something wrong with the installation procedure. You need to re-extract the WordPress file and repeat the process. Now just click on run the installation. Now you should be greeted with this welcome page. Give your site title. I am going to give it We Know Stuff. Give your username, anything you want. I am going to give it admin, and password as admin@123. Since admin@123 is a weak password, we have to select the checkbox to confirm the use of weak passwords. You can add your email ID, that is optional, which you can use just in case your website crashes or password is lost in order to recover the password. Click on Install WordPress. It should take a few seconds and land you at the success page. Here you can navigate yourself to the login page. The username and password are same, admin and admin@123 or whatever you have set in the previous settings. You must bookmark this page in order to log in again. After clicking on login button, you will be welcomed by WordPress dashboard. So this is the main interface where you can build your website using graphical tools. So first I would like to orient you about the WordPress framework. Onto the left panel there are many options. I can create new posts, add media to the library, create new pages for the website, handle all the comments on each page from here, and change the appearance of the website, select new themes. And if you click on visit website, you can see this is the current theme which is installed for the WordPress, and the appearance can be changed from here as well as the dashboard. So from the dashboard, if we go and click on appearances, it should take us to the selection of themes. Plugins are also very important, but we are going to talk about it later. So clicking on themes, these are the 3 themes which comes pre-installed. Click on add new themes button and you will be greeted by a list of themes which can be downloaded from internet as per your requirement. I am going to search one of my favorites, Vertice. Select the theme and click on install button. It will take a few minutes to install the theme and then we can apply it over our website. Now click on activate. So this theme has come with a default plugin, that is Cubio, which is actually a graphical editor, but if it is not available with you, you can manually download it from the plugins tab and activate it from there as well. Here this theme has added default content for us to edit so that we have a structure ready for our homepage. If this video is helping you in any way possible, a subscribe to the channel would help me to make more and more informational videos for you all. From this customize page, I am going to change the background image of the main header. Click on change background followed by change background image and you will be allowed to put any media that you want to put as the header image. Yes, it is that simple and there is no coding required. So you can customize all the fields such as buttons in the title bar or edit text or even delete some elements of the entire page. Onto the left side is the entire customization menu which you can use to change the entire look and feel and also the functionality of the website. Click on save button to publish changes to the website. You can also view the various layouts on how your website will look on a desktop, tablet and a smartphone. And finally, this is how our website looks with just a little customization. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.